Imagine installing an adjustable downlight without the headaches you've come to expect. The new HALO HLA Super-Adjustable Series, now featuring Cooper Lighting's patented Flip-N-Klip system, is engineered to make your job faster, cleaner, and frustration-free. Flip-N-Klip replaces the old direct mount spring system that's been pinching fingers and damaging drywall for years. Instead of fighting off stiff springs, just flip the clips into place. They lock in automatically with a smooth, controlled motion. No snapback, no blood blisters, no broken sealing edges. And removal, what used to be a risky tug-of-war, is now a simple, tool-free release. You get the fixture out cleanly, no tearing paper, no overcut holes, no callbacks. Pair that with HALO's patented slide-inside non-metallic wire traps, and you've got a downlighting solution designed for real job site conditions that offers up to 70% in labor savings. That's faster installs, cleaner removals, less damage, and zero pinch fingers. The new HALO HLA with Flip-N-Klip, the smarter, safer way to install downlighting. If you're a contractor, reach out to us today to get your hands on a sample.